Solving this problem is like understanding a knot on your journey. It might seem frustrating at first, but with patience, the knots will loosen. Remember that each small effort brings you closer to the solution, and having a clear direction will guide you through with the compass of direction. Speaking about compass, you're presented with phenomenally cool, symmetrical set of compasses. The first shape has number 2 in the middle, numbers 4, 9, 2, and 3 on the outside. The second compass has number 2 in the middle again, and numbers 16, 9, 4, and 3 on the outside. And then the third shape also has number 2 in the middle, and then numbers 49, 25, 7, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 5, choice B, 6, choice C, 8, and choice D, 9. Take a moment to think through the problem carefully. I'll give you some time and also some hints to guide you along the way on your journey. Let's get started. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? I hope so, because the pattern in this question couldn't be any simpler. All you need to do is to square the bottom number using the middle number as the power to find the top number. Let's look at the example. 2 in power of 2 equals 4, and 3 in power of 2 equals 9. Let's look at the second shape to confirm our hypothesis. 4 in power of 2 equals 16. And we already know what 3 in power of 2 is, right? It's 9. Let's switch to the third shape to continue. 7 in power of 2 equals 49. And you know what time it is? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. The only number that in power of 2 gives you the result of 25 is 5. So the correct answer here is choice A, 5. If you think you're done here, you're mistaken. There is more. Here's the question for you to answer. You're presented with 3 shapes. First shape has number 2 on the inside, and then numbers 25, 9, 4, and 3 on the outside. Second shape has number 2 on the inside, and then numbers 16, 4, 4 again, and 2 on the outside. And then the third shape has number 3 in the middle, and then numbers 3, 27, 1, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 2, choice B, 3, choice C, 4, and choice D, 5. After you've done selecting your answer, post it in comments, and I'll provide you with my feedback. Best of luck on this exciting challenge. As you solve this question, imagine you're crafting a powerful story, with each answer being a chapter that brings you closer to the epic conclusion of your success. You're presented with 3 cool-looking expressions. 12 by 34 equals 7. 24 by 61 equals 7 again. And then the last one is 41 by 54 equals the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 7 again, choice B, 8, choice C, 9, and choice D, 10. Take a moment to carefully think through the problem. I'll provide you with time and some helpful hints along the way to guide you. Let's begin. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? I hope so, because even though the question seems unsolvable, the pattern here is extremely simple. As you might have guessed, the expressions here are not mathematically correct. 12 multiplied by 34 does not equal to 7. To understand the calculations, you need to add 2 digits to get to the first digit in the second number. Add both digits in the second number to get to the result. Let's look at the first expression. 12 by 34 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. I think we're in the right track here. Let's confirm it with the second expression. 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's switch to the third expression. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And guess what time it is? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So the correct answer here is choice C, 9. But wait, are you ready for more? Here's a question for you to answer. You're presented with three expressions. 32 multiplied by 54 equals 9. 14 multiplied by 52 equals 7. And then 12 multiplied by 34 equals the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of four possible choices. Choice A, 7, choice B, 8, choice C, 9, and choice D, 10. After you're done calculating your answer, post it in comments and I'll provide you with my feedback. Best in luck on this exciting challenge. Famous American philosopher Thomas Paine once observed, "The greatest minds often think in ways that others do not dare to consider." In our pursuit of the solution to this question, let's dare to think differently, pushing our boundaries of conventional thought to explore new possibilities and solve this question. You're presented with four shapes. Each shape has a number associated with this. The numbers are 9, 16, 25, and then the fourth shape has the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of four possible choices. Choice A, 36, choice B, 49, choice C, 64, and last but not least, choice D, 81. Are you starting to doubt yourself? Well, it's perfectly natural to face challenges during the testing process. Remember that every problem has a solution. With your creativity and determination, I'm confident we'll find it. Let's work through this together as a team. Are you prepared to share your answer? Let's move ahead and see what you've got. And you might be surprised by how simple the solution actually is. To calculate the associated number, you need to determine the number of sides in the shape and square the resulting number to get to the actual number underneath the shape. The first shape is triangle. It has three sides, 1, 2, and 3. 3 squared equals 9. Second shape is a square, which has 4 sides. 4 squared equals 16. Third shape is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 squared equals 25. The fourth shape has 7 sides, and the shape with 7 sides is called heptagon. And now is the time to calculate the magic number. 7 squared equals 49. So the correct answer here is choice B, 49. Jonathan Swift wisely remarked, "The power of thought is the greatest tool given to man. Let us use it to create, not just to reflect." You're presented with 3 by 3 matrix. The matrix has numbers inside. The first column of the matrix has numbers 79, 88, and 98. The second column has numbers 63, 64, and 72. And then the third column has only 2 numbers, 3 and 2. And then comes the missing number in the bottom right corner, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 1, choice B, 3, choice C, 5, and last but not least, choice D, 7. Are you prepared to share your answer? And don't worry, even if you didn't get it right, you might be surprised by how simple the solution actually is. Remember I told you that the calculations here go from left to right. The middle number is the product of the digits of the left number, and the right number is found by subtracting the digits of the middle number. Let's look at the example. The first row has numbers 79, 63, and 3. First number consists of digits 7 and 9. 7 multiplied by 9 equals 63, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. Let's verify the pattern with the middle row. 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. 9 multiplied by 8 equals 72, and 7 minus 2 equals 5. So the correct answer here is choice C, 5. You're presented with 3 cool looking shapes. Let's call them combo circles. Each shape has 3 digits inside. The first shape has numbers 5, 12, and 39. The second shape has numbers 6, 14, and 45. And then the third shape only has 2 numbers, 7 and 16. And you need to calculate the third missing number and select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 48. Choice B, 49. Choice C, 51. And last but not least, choice D, 52. The answer is one of the choices on the screen. I just gave you 4 possibilities. You need to challenge yourself to figure it out rather than guessing, which only gives you 25% of being correct. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? I hope you found your solution. So let's compare our answers. You need to start with initial number at 12 o'clock, multiply it by the increment, and then add the result to the increment. What makes it a little tricky is that for the second calculation, increment is also increased by 1. Let's look at the example. To get from 5 to 12, you need to multiply 5 and 2 and then add 2, and the result is 12. Now, the next increment is 3. 12 multiplied by 3 plus 3 equals 39. Now, let's look at the second shape to confirm the pattern. 6 multiplied by 2 plus 2 equals 14. 14 multiplied by 3 plus 3 equals 45. And now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. 7 multiplied by 2 plus 2 equals 16. And 16 multiplied by 3 plus 3 equals 51. So the correct answer here is choice C, 51. You're presented with 3 shapes. Each shape has 3 circles connected with the line, and each circle has a number inside. The first shape has numbers 23, 93, and 90. The second shape has numbers 77, 37, and 34. And then the last, third shape has numbers 58 and 45. And then the number in the middle is missing. Guess what? Your goal is to calculate the missing number and select 1 out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 84. Choice B, 48. Choice C, 55. And last but not least, choice D, 58. Time's up. Are you ready with your answer? As you might have guessed correctly, the digits near the middle circle form a new number. This new number has its first digit from the right circle and its second digit from the left circle. Let's look at the example. In the first shape, the number in the middle has 2 digits, 9 and 3. Digit 9 comes from the right circle, and digit 3 comes from the left circle. Let's look at the second shape to confirm the pattern. The number in the middle is 37. 3 comes from the right circle, and 7 comes from the left circle. Well, guess what time it is? It's the magic time, the moment of truth you have been waiting for to get to the final answer. The third shape, which is missing number in the middle, is formed by using 2 digits, digit 4 from the right and digit 8 from the left. So the correct answer here is choice B, 48. Here's an interesting question with cool shapes. Try solving it on your own first without looking up the answer. Here's the question. Each one of the cool looking shape has 4 numbers. The first shape has numbers 57, 45, 81, and 69. The second shape has numbers 43, 31, 67, and 55. And then comes the third shape, which only has 3 numbers visible, 75, 63, and 99. And then the fourth number is missing. This is the number you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 87. Choice B, 77. Choice C, 70. And last but not least, choice D, 63. Time's up! Are you ready to show your answer? Let's take a look at the first shape. Remember the hint I gave you. We have to start at the highest number, which is always at 6 o'clock. And in fact, the pattern here is that starting from the bottom number, which is at 6 o'clock, all subsequent numbers are reduced by 12, which is the same decrement for every rotation. Let's look at the first shape. The highest number at 6 o'clock, is 81. 81 minus 12 equals 69. 69 minus 12 equals 57. And 57 minus 12 equals 45. Now let's confirm our calculations with the second shape. The highest number at 6 o'clock in the second shape is 67. 67 minus 12 equals 55. 55 minus 12 equals 43. And 43 minus 12 equals 31. And now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. The number at 6 o'clock here is 99. 99 minus 12 equals 87. Technically, we could stop the calculations here, because this is the final answer. But because we're here to practice, so let's continue to make sure we improve our skills. 87 minus 12 equals 75. And 75 minus 12 equals 63, which verifies all the numbers. And confirms the correct answer for this question, which is choice A, 87. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.